How to fix Messenger floating video call not showing. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this issue. So let's just jump right in. So the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to your Messenger app. And if you want to make a call to someone, you just tap on the profile icon and then simply tap on the top phone icon right here to call them. So right here, I've gotten this floating icon. So what I can do is just go ahead and turn this one on and remove it if I want as well. So if you are not seeing that option, then what you can do is first off, go to settings, then scroll down until you see your app settings and then head over to apps. Then simply tap on the three lines at the top right and then find the special access option. From here, you're going to have to find picture in picture mode, tap on it, and go scroll down until you find Messenger and turn on the Messenger app from here. So if this is turned off, just make sure to turn this on. Go back and then do the same thing for appear on top. Just make sure that you turn on the appear on top on your Messenger app. So let me just scroll down to Messenger and then turn this one on like this. Once you've done that, you could just go back and then try to call them again and see if that works. The next thing you can try to do is see if your Messenger is up to date. Open up your Google Play Store and then go to search bar. Simply search for Messenger. And if you see an update button here instead of open, just make sure to update the app to its latest version. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.